and everyone, and welcome here at Jollibee, North Carolina. And today, we are celebrating the birth of our little Princess Anna. Kaya naman, bago ko tawagin ang royal family, galing Ireland, gusto ko marinig ang pinakamalakas na palakpakan! Wow! Eto pa, gusto ko rin marinig ang pinakamalakas na yaman! Alright, here we go! Tawagin ko na ang pinaka-sexy mommy! Wow, wow! Pinakamagandang mommy at napaka-supportive na mommy. Bigyan natin ang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang yaman, Mommy Thea! Hello, Mommy Thea! Welcome here at Jollibee North Carmel. Mommy Thea, kamusta po? Enjoy po ba kayo magbakasyon here at Philippines? And of course, eto na. Itodo niyo ang palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan, our little princess. Ito na, Anna! Hello, Anna. How are you, Anna? Really good. And of course, let's all shout a happy birthday, Anna, in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Anna!
And of course, Anna, what do you say to them? Alright, and of course, Mommy, have a seat. And of course, this time, meron kami here na special number para po sa inyong lahat. Kaya naman this time, bigyan niyo po kami ng malakas na palakpakan.